Hello everyone, I hope you are well. This is Mohammad Sajid Khan, Head of International Development at ACCA. I would like to welcome you all to this session where we will be sharing some thoughts on the prospects of accountancy as a profession, the importance of professional qualifications, and also about ACCA, which is being offered at the school level now. As we all know, currently we are passing through very challenging times, and business leaders today, they are very much focused on not only ensuring that they are able to sustain, but also to convert the challenges into opportunities. And we're also aware that unfortunately some of the sectors and professions have been more impacted than the others. So it is natural that for young students and their parents to consider as to which career to choose so that they always remain in demand, even in times such as this one. So I would like to take this opportunity to talk briefly about accountancy as a profession, where the profession is going to be an evergreen one. Let me explain how. When a business is very small, as you would agree with me that there may not be need for an HR expert, but there would certainly be a need for a finance professional to manage the finances. Likewise, when the business is doing good or the business is big, of course they would need finance professionals to manage those huge funds in order to generate further income. And when business are not doing well, such as now, of course they would again look up to finance professionals to bring in cost efficiencies and new ways of working to sustain the business. So no matter the business is big or small or doing good or bad, there will always be demand for finance professionals, and more so with the ACCA qualification. Besides being in demand always, of course, you will also have other benefits in the finance profession, like you will always get respect because of the central role the finance professions play in any business, and also that the profession is very rewarding, not only in monetary but also in terms of job satisfaction, because you may enter the profession at entry level, but you can go all up to the level of a chief executive officer with a finance qualification. And these days there is a trend that more and more CEOs are from finance background. Of course CFOs are from finance background, but even CEOs are from finance background, for the fact that the CEOs who have got finance background have a better understanding of business. So that's the reason there is a trend we can see that more and more CEOs are from finance background. So we have just seen that how the accountancy profession will give you respect, will give you a rewarding career, will keep you always in demand. But the question is, will I be able to access all these benefits with a just an academic qualification that we have? Well, to answer this question, let us look at, first of all, what is the difference between a professional qualification and an academic qualification. As you would know, academic qualifications are awarded by universities, colleges, whereas the professional qualifications are awarded by professional bodies like ACCA. Again, now if you just have an academic qualification, what you have is that it is of course a basic necessity, but you are part of the crowd that everyone has a qualification, academic qualification, and you have one. But in this competitive world, if you have to be having that edge, should have something different. And here comes the professional qualification, which clearly gives you an edge over others. Again, I'll take a moment to explain how a professional qualification gives you that edge. Normally, professional qualifications, they have a requirement of practical experience, and ACCA also has one. that you have to have 3 years of practical experience. Now, what happens in this practical experience is that you get to apply that knowledge that you gain through exams at the workplace and see how it works. And this gives you, excellence in that chosen field. For example, once a scholar has said that when I hear, I forget. When I hear, I forget. When I see, I remember. When I do, I understand. So this is the difference between hearing, seeing, and doing. We are all human beings. Normally what we hear, we forget soon. But what you see, the image is formed in the mind and you remember for a longer time. But what you do, you really understand. There is no question of forgetting. So hence we at ACCA, we want you to apply that knowledge that you have gained through examinations at the workplace with this practical experience. So professional qualification gives you that excellence through the practical experience and the application part, which is very much sought after by the employers. Also, in professional qualifications, there is one requirement that as a member, you have to keep your knowledge and skills up to date. So once you become an ACCA member, that is just the beginning, not the end, where your career as a finance professional starts. So as a finance professional, you have to keep your skills up to date through, we call CPD, continuing professional development. And because this is a requirement of professional qualification, your knowledge and skills remain up to date. And of course, what you have is a faster career progression, of course, better salaries. And also with the professional qualification comes mobility. You can travel to different countries. Your academic qualification may or may not be recognized in other countries, but a professional qualification like ACCA will certainly be recognized in other countries. So of course, you get mobility. Now, if you're convinced that going for a professional qualification will give you all these benefits, then the question is, why should you choose ACCA as the professional qualification? Again, here I'm going to highlight 3 reasons. The first being the global recognition that ACCA has. As you know, ACCA is the global body for professional accountants, and this was formed in 1904. So you see, we have more than 116 years of experience of developing world-class professional accountants. And we have many of them at the moment. For example, around the world, we have 227,000 members, fully qualified ACCA, enjoying top positions in accountancy, finance, and management. And likewise, we also have about 5,44,000 students like you who are pursuing the ACCA qualification around 176 countries around the globe. Employers very much value and recognize the qualification because they are aware that ACCA always thinks ahead, and it develops the skills what employers need not only today but also tomorrow. It is based on very practical approach, and it makes you work ready and gives you the skills and competencies which the employers are looking for in their workforce. And also the syllabus is very in-depth. It covers a wide range of subjects like accountancy, finance, and management. And as I mentioned, that the syllabus is most up to date. We keep continuously revising based on the changes in the employer needs. Secondly, why should you choose ACCA is that on the way to becoming an ACCA member, you also get other qualifications. Like you get Bachelor of Science in Applied Accounting from Oxford Brookes University from UK after completion of your first 9 papers. You don't have to write any extra exams, just pass the first 9 papers of ACCA, submit a research and analysis project to university, and you get BSc Honours in Applied Accounting. And you can attend the graduation ceremony in UK, Dubai, and other parts of the world wherever they hold this graduation ceremony and get a proper degree from Oxford Brookes University. Likewise, you also can get Master of Science in Professional Accountancy from University of London, if you choose particular 2 subjects in the professional stage of ACCA. So you're getting these additional qualifications on the way to becoming an ACCA member. This is another benefit. And finally, the third benefit of ACCA qualification is the flexibility it offers. You can go at your pace. The number of exams can be decided by you, how many exams you sit in each session. There is no rule of sitting together, certain group of exams, if you fail one, you have to repeat all. There is no rule as such. It's all, very flexible depending upon how you would like to pursue, depending upon how many papers you are able to prepare and sit at one go. And once you pass a paper, it's a permanent credit to your account. Just let me clarify here that ACCA qualification is flexible, not easy. There is a difference between being flexible and being easy. The qualification is flexible, but it's quite rigorous. Now, we have covered so far 3 questions. Why should you go for accountancy as a profession? Why should you go for a professional qualification besides having an academic qualification? And finally, why should you choose ACCA as a professional qualification? But before I conclude, I would also like to cover one more area as to why should you start ACCA at the school level. Again, here I'm going to give 3 reasons. One, that starting ACCA at the school level will certainly give you a fast track route to becoming a professional accountant because you're starting early. Secondly, it will help you to build a very strong foundation as you will go through all the 13 papers of ACCA when you start at the school level. Again, needless to say that those who have got strong foundation, they always excel in their career. And employers, they want people with strong foundation in whichever field they are. And finally, ACCA is a part of your syllabus. It's not an addition to your syllabus. We have mapped the contents of the ACCA initial 2 papers, which is very much aligned to the syllabus of 11th and 12th class business studies stream. So preparing for these ACCA papers will help you, in fact, for your school board exams as well. Now, if you are satisfied and if you'd like to go for ACCA, then of course you may have some thoughts about how to get started, what are the next steps, who will be helping you with the registration, and who will help you with the studies. So to help you with all these things, we work closely with partners around the world. And we have one such partner, Unnayan, who is present with us today, which is focused on engagement with schools working closely with ACCA. Mr. Murli from Unnayan and my colleagues from ACCA will share more details about the next steps. And Unnayan, as your education partner, will be supporting you with all the necessary guidance and the resources to not only pass the foundation in accountancy exams, but also to acquire skills and competencies that are needed at the workplace. Working in partnership with Unnayan and your school, we are committed to supporting you at every step of your journey towards becoming an ACCA member, and also to help you make the best possible contribution to the economy of this great nation as a finance professional. Thank you and all the very best.